Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Westport local and long distance movers near me. Moving over 50 miles is a long distance move. Due to the long journey, long distance relocation is quite complex. Many common long distance relocation problems include damage to the home or commercial items, delay in your belongings getting to the destination, and overpricing. 3 Movers offers the best long distance rates. We provide you with a cost estimate before the move, and we work with the estimate. You don't have to worry about hidden charges or extra costs. We have a transparent and cost-effective pricing system. We have put our movers through thorough training on handling both fragile and solid belongings to prevent damage. Our drivers are also trained to drive carefully and promptly to get to the new location on time. Local moves are less than 50 miles from your current address. Although they seem less complex, it is advisable to put proper plans in place to guarantee success. 3 Movers provides excellent moving services in Westport, CT. We have exposed locals to organized, fast, and reliable local moves. Also, we charge the cheapest rate you can find anywhere. Our hourly rate is around $30 to $40. You enjoy 24/7 customer service and experienced movers without going above your budget. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Westport moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.